The following portion of the Arizona Daily Mix is sponsored by Midway Chevrolet.
Well, hi, and welcome to another one of Wally's Weekend Drives. Man, let me tell you, this week is special. We've made it up here to Midway Chevrolet, just off the I-17 and Bell Road up here, joined by the main boy with the joy toy right here, Valentino Castillo. Yes, I got it right, man. I'll tell you what, we're up here checking out this 2025 Chevy Equinox active all-wheel drive.
Yes, sir. This is the active Equinox all-wheel drive. You see you have the blacked out emblems, you have the 360 cameras, you have the daytime running lights, which is really nice look. Also comes with fog lights.
I'm liking that. I mean, really good design. I like the chrome on it and the black. And specifically, talk to me about the color, man. I love this color.
This is a new color that just came out for 2025. It's called Cacti Green. It's a really popular color going on right now. As you've seen, this here is the fully loaded active. So you have the two-tone, which separates this vehicle from any other vehicle that's out there in the market. It's well equipped, really nice
pretty
vehicle.
Fly for a cacti.
Yeah, for sure. Pretty sly for a cacti, for sure.
Yeah, so with that being said, let's talk a little bit about the motor. We got a 1.5 liter four-cylinder turbocharged motor in here, making 175
horsepower off the turbo. It has some pep in its step.
Yeah,
most definitely does.
I mean, actually, if you're taking off and you're turning at the same time you're taking off, you're going to chirp that inside front tire every time.
Yeah, man. For sure.
Yeah.
Perfect for a family or even a new driver on the road. Has a lot of safety features to offer. Blindside assistance, as you look right here. You have the blacked out emblems on this side.
Yeah, I like that for sure. But then more than anything, when you look inside, the color of that interior, you know, that tan.
The two-tone interior,
yeah,
really
man.
nice, really nice. You also have the all-terrain tires, which is really nice as well. Right here, you have your side camera, so if you don't hit, you make sure not to hit any curbs or anything like that, you know, be super safe.
My wife.
Breakaway mirrors.
Yes, that'd be me. Right? Yeah. But let's take a look inside here, Valentino, because this really impresses me. Man, the first thing I see is some really, like I said, I love the seats.
Really nice features. Has a power seat, has memory seating. This one here, because we're in Arizona, because of the heat, it has ventilated seats as well, which is really nice.
And I've been using them.
There you go. That's a perfect feel, right?
Yes.
You have heated seats just in case it's needed. Heated steering wheel.
And this one actually has
chilly.
the outboard rear seats are heated too.
Oh, even better for the passengers in the back.
Yeah,
that's even better.
So Chevy didn't forget about the people in the back.
Yep.
Also the dash here, I'm looking at the dash.
Redesigned new Chevy Equinox. They have a really nice interior, 12-inch screen. You get the self-entry, remote start, wireless charging, all the goods with this vehicle.
Man, I'll tell you what, I really am impressed with it here. If you take a look inside, what you're going to see is plenty of room in the back there for 3 passengers or 2, and you put the center console down in the center there, so you got your cup holder in there. So you're not going to see this too much, because it does really get pretty good mileage for an SUV, but it is a capless filler right there, so it's really easy to fill up. Another thing I really like about it is LED taillights in the back here, man. I'll tell you, this is sexy. The whole design of this I really like.
They came out really good, especially with the backup sensor, so that way you know you're not backing it up to anything.
You've got a digital rear view mirror too, right?
You do have a digital rear view mirror. It's really bright and vibrant at night, so that way you know what's behind you, if there's anything that should be behind you that you need to know about.
That's right, it's all about safety for sure. One touch right here to open it up, just a little pinch of the button right there, opens up. Now, you've got a decent amount of room back here for some golf clubs or maybe bags for 3 or 4 people.
Some ice chests,
Dude,
for the
there
pool,
you go. That
river.
cool. Yeah. So if you look underneath there is actually a real spare tire. And it's a 17-inch spare tire because you are all-wheel drive here, so they do need to be the same.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
MSRP on this, $35,000 flat on this. I mean, that's
a smoking deal.
Yeah, now you gonna add on to that deal, or is that just kind of the deal?
Right now we have a bunch of incentives inviting all our military, all our repeat Chevy GM family members to come down and let us hook you up with the best deal. We're working out all the discounts. We're getting very aggressive incentivized rates right now through General Motors, and so we'll love the opportunity to help here at Midway Chevrolet.
That's right. I'll tell you what, if you're not looking for that little SUV, tell me about the Corvettes, dude. They're everywhere.
We specialize in our Corvettes and we specialize in our trucks, but more importantly, we take pride in our Corvettes. In our new ones and our pre-owned ones, we have a showroom full of them. If you're looking for a 1LT, a 2LT, a 3LT, a Z06, an E-Ray, whatever you're looking for, we have it here in store. Just reach out to me, Valentino, or some of our team members, and we'll be glad to get you headed in the right direction.
That's right. I'll tell you what, and I can't highly recommend these Corvettes anymore. I'm checking out the Z06 over here. Might take it home.
There we go. I'll get you going.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored by Midway Chevrolet.